If you're looking to charm your crush with your sense of humor, telling a knock-knock joke is a fun and sincere way to break the ice or flirt. Whether you're at the beginning of a relationship or looking to deepen your connection, these cheesy and romantic jokes can help express your feelings. From playful lines like, knock knock, who's there? Hugh. Hugh who? Hugh have an amazing smile. To sweet sentiments like, knock knock, who's there? Omelette. Omelette who? Omelette, you steal my heart. There's a joke for every situation, so why not share a laugh and let them know you're excited to hang out? Try knock knock. Who's there? Canoe. Canoe who? Canoe give me a kiss? Or knock knock, who's there? Anita. Anita who? Anita kiss from you. For something more flirty, these cheesy, goofy, and romantic knock knock jokes are perfect no matter what stage you are in your relationship.